And welcome back. I'm joined today by Nicole Killaire, Fund Development Manager at Big Brothers, Big Sisters of Oxford County, to talk about Play for Kids' Sake. Welcome, Nicole.
Thank you for having me.
Well, tell me about Play for Kids' Sake, first and foremost.
Yeah, so we're really excited to be kicking off 2024 with our first annual fundraiser, which is Play for Kids' Sake. So it is a really fun, family-friendly event that will be taking place throughout the month of February. It is sponsored by Tim Hortons. The two locations in Woodstock, 942 Dundas Street in Devonshire, are the presenting sponsors. And we will be offering bowling, indoor golf simulation, and curling events to teams.
That's fun. I want to be part of that curling team. I'm a big kid myself. How do people register to be part of this event?
Yeah, so the best thing to do if you're interested is to check out our website at bbbsoxford.ca. There's a full list of dates and times available. And you register your team. Teams are of 4 to 6 people, and then we will be in contact to help set up your fundraising and support your fundraising. Keep your eyes peeled over the next couple weeks for some fundraising challenges that we will have going on. And of course, those who beat their goals are eligible for fundraising incentive prizes. So a little bit back for you as well.
How long has Play for Kids' Sake been going on?
So it actually used to be a bowling event called Bowl for Kids' Sake, and we had a curling event called Curl for Kids' Sake. In 2019, we combined those events into Play for Kids' Sake, and we're always looking for other activities that we can add to bring other people out. So we added the indoor golf simulation last year, and it went over really well. It's a lot of fun.
Now, I also want to find out about Big Brothers and Big Sisters. So what do you guys do for our community? Because I know you guys organize Play for Kids' Sake.
Yeah, so all of the fundraisers that we do through Big Brothers, Big Sisters of Oxford County provides funds for our mentoring program. So we offer youth mentoring services to young people ages 6 to 18. Typically, people think of our Big Brother, Big Sister program, that one-to-one match, but we actually offer 10 different mentoring programs, group, in school, in the community. So there's really something for everyone. And at the end of the day, all those funds support the young people here in Oxford County.
So how do people get in touch with you in case they want some mentoring assistance from you guys?
Yeah, so they can give one of our offices a call. We have offices in Woodstock, Ingersoll, and Tillsonburg. Or again, our website has all of that information. There's a really quick application on there to register a child or register yourself as a volunteer. And then our incredible service delivery team will then be in touch with you to go over the process.
Now, bowling, indoor golf simulation, curling, which one is your favorite and which one always has the loudest cheers from the participants?
Well, for me, I always do the bowling because I've got 2 toddlers. So the other ones are a little bit trickier for young kids. But I think if I were to get like a group of friends together, I would love to try the indoor golf simulation. It really does look like a lot of fun.
Yeah, I've seen people doing it. I'm like, how do you do that? It looks so fun.
And you don't have to have a golf background either. It's really, if you've never picked up a club before or if you're a member at a golf course, you're going to have fun either way.
This is also a good way to start, learning how to play golf.
That's right.
It's not just about, hitting it as forcefully as you can, but it's just about giving it the sweet spot hit, right?
That's right.
So anyone watching right now wants to be part of Big Brothers, Big Sisters. How do we get involved?
So calling our offices or visiting the website is a good place to start. You can register through the website or give me a call, Nicole, in the office, and I'm happy to direct you to the right spot.
Well, thank you so much, Nicole, for sharing Play for Kids' Sake. I'm sure it's going to be wonderful, and good luck with the event.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
That's all we have time for today. Thanks for watching.